Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a comment section in your Google Sites, then this video is for you. First, this Discuss website can help you to add a comment section on your website. So you can just log into your website, this Discuss website, or you can just create a website account on this website by tap on Get Started here. So go to the comments here. Now you just need to go get started. That in interested in the free version of Discuss comments, then you can just tap on this Get Started. So I'm going to get the free version here. Now you can just enter your name or your email, and you can just create a custom password for this section, or you can just continue with your Google account or your Facebook account or your Twitter account, Microsoft account, or Apple account also. So I'm going with my Google account here, so I'm going to select my Google account. Now tap on continue. After that, it will just allow me to it automatically add the details of my according to my account. So I'm going to add a password for this. So I'm going to add a password like now tap on I'm not robot, so to go through that capture. Now tap on sign up button here, so it will allow you to sign up for a new account in this website. Now here you can see it has just logged me in here. The website name, I can just website enter a website name, my Google site website name here, and select the category like entertainment. What can take? Yes. Now create site, and it will create the site. So if you are you want to go with this any of this paid version here, so you can just go with this paid version here, but I'm going to go with this acknowledge plan here. And now to get started, so from here I have just get that comment section from this Discuss website. So if you want to add that comment section in WordPress, Blogger, Tumblr, Squarespace, or any of other like Shopify, also HubSpot, HubSpot actually, then you can just go to that platform. But I'm going to add it to the Google sites. That's why I just need to tap on this I don't see my platform list, install manually with universal code. So I just need to get that universal code, and here it is. The universal code is here, all of this. So you can just tap on this copy icon here, copy button here, to copy all of the universal code. That will help you to embed that code on your Google sites, and you can just add a comment section also. So I'm going to get to my Google sites. Now I'm going to create section here. For example, I'm going to create a section. So I'm going to add embed here. Tap on embed and embed the code, and you paste that code from here. Now tap on next, and it will show you a preview that you can just edit this. The tap on insert here, you can see I have just inserted that comment section here. So I'm going to place it a perfect place on my comments on my site. Now I'm going to adjust the size here, so I'm going to expand it a little more here, like just like this, and here it is on mid. Now tap on post it here. Now next save again. So here the important update that when you log into this course, we process personal data and faculty with authentication and posting comments. We also store the comments, and it has just showing you some there about some privacy and policy and some instruction. Now you can just tap on publish button here. Now tap on publish again to publish that site and save the changes. Now you can just tap on this drop down button and view the published site to check the comment section. So I'm going to check it for here. So it's loading here. Now proceed, and from here you will find the comment section where anyone can just give the review with these emojis, and it will count the response here. For example, if I go with this here, you can see it has just counted the response. And if someone just send a comment here like uh, very good, like this, very good, and they can also get some also important some tools that can help to customize their comments. Now tap on comment button here. So here you can see it has just added the comment, and the moderators should get the mod tag here, and the users your all of this comment will selected here will be um, listed in this section, so you can filter it to the best, newest or oldest also. So that's how you can just add a comment section on your Google sites. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.